Hello everyone, Make in India, Made for India. Oki 90 scooter has been launched by Okinawa, and let me take a quick round of the scooter because this scooter is special because it is electric and it has 16-inch alloy wheels, and the company says that it drives like a motorcycle. So let's find out more about this scooter. Let's start with the design. When you look at the logo and the headlamp, which is LED DRL lamps, so the logo and the headlight has the same design. So obviously they want to establish their brand in India. It's pretty evident by the look of it. You've got all the LED DRL lamps in the front. At the rear as well, there is all LED lighting. And when you look at it from the side, the scooter is pretty long. So the comfort is guaranteed on this, I'm pretty sure, but I'm going to talk about it when I get to drive it. Let's look at the other aspects of the design. When you look at it from the side, you'll see a belt drive. That means this scooter will perform like a motorcycle. I really hope so, right? And as much as I can emphasize that this scooter is made for India, you can see it by the amount of chrome that you have on this scooter. You can see it on the mirrors. It's got front telescopic hydraulic suspension in the front. So it means that, you know, this scooter can take on big or small potholes. Some of the other features, you've got retractable pillion footrest. Okay, let's talk about the comfort and convenience on this scooter. Looks pretty comfortable. I can plant both my feet on the ground. There is enough leg room in the front, and there are these hooks to carry luggage. There's one more right here. Made for India, Make in India. Pretty evident, right? The company says it could go up to around 200 kilometers, but I'll have to test ride it for myself to see it. Okay, so this is powered by 3.6 kilowatt lithium detachable battery, which is pretty decent, I think, for the power that it will produce, 3800 watts. It's pretty decent, but more about that when I drive. It's got 175 mm of ground clearance and massive 40 liters of boot space. It's got disc brakes, front and rear both. Although I'm not sure about the quality because this is all really hard plastic. We'll know in the times when we actually get to test it. It has a pocket for your smartphone. Some of the other key features on this scooter is keyless remote automatic key locking system, parking mode, digitally informative speedometer with detailed battery voltage information, luggage box light, USB port, geofencing, immobilization, vehicle location, navigation, vehicle status, and so much more. The driving speed on this scooter is 80 to 90 kilometers per hour and 160 kilometers range in eco mode. In sports, although the company claims it will be more, somewhere around 200 kilometers per charge. And this is available in 4 really nice colors: red, white, blue and grey. It launched at 1,21,866 rupees.